Okay, Tornado Siren Madness. Thunderbolt has had enough. That's the name of the episode. Credit to this dude right here. Fuck, yeah. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Oh, that's probably terrible for my speakers. Hold on, let me just, Isn't this like Thomas the Tank Engine's intro? Can't speak, bro. Shut up.
Thunderbolt will surely fall for me now.
Thunderbolt will surely... Shut up! Shut up! Please, shut up. Thunderbolt does not care about you. He does not.
Thanks for helping me build this thing. Here's the $100 I owe you.
Dang, bro.
Now we just gotta go over to Thunder Baby's place and fire it, and then he won't be able to ignore me.
Right.
Oh my god. Yo, wait, why are they going in together?
Just shaking his
Like the French toast.
Shaking his what?
Yeah, you coming.
Bro, they really messing alerter, bro. He said, hey, alerter. You're mine, and I'm gonna prove to Thunderbolt that I am better, and, excuse me one moment, as I break my microphone. Okay, I think we're good now. Let's get to work on this.
There is no way out. Now you must make out with your learner guesses.
No, a learner.
Oh my god.
Mayday. I'm going down.
Wow, I have hair now.
I
Hey,
love you
I'm starting
1003.
in this show.
I love you too, Thunderbolt.
Walk you correctly.
God, I burned this lasagna.
1003. What the heck are you doing here?
I tried to make you lasagna in your oven, but it turns out I'm more of a cook rather than a cook.
I don't care. Get out right here.
What did it say?
Don't care. Get out right here. Not
Guys, it's Gangster Thunderbolt. Ew. Yo. Yo. Y'all see what I'm seeing?
yeah. Why the heck am I farting all of a sudden?
I'm pretty sure that wasn't funny, but okay. I mean, I am almost 14 years old, so I don't take these jokes as... But, oh dang, he dead.
Oh my god, what did you put in that lasagna?
Peanut fiber and Cerelac.
Oh my god. That's it. You're coming with me.
How are
Whoa.
you doing? Let me go.
Congratulations. You are going to be the first siren on Mars.
What?
You should be happy he's fucking grabbing you.
Let me go, Thunderbolt.
no,
This is a Billy scream.
no,
Let me go, Thunderbolt.
no,
This is a Billy scream.
no.
What was that?
What are these sirens? These look like thunderbolts with like, they're like electric thunderbolts.
Probably just some idiot playing with fireworks.
Now I can watch TV in peace. Or maybe not.
Fuck. Your plan of sending me to the red planet has failed. Now let's make many Thunderbolts. Wow. I didn't know you liked to brush.
No. You just
Whoa. Hold on, what?
Wow. I didn't know you liked to brush.
no. You just wait until I get my instant livery.
Wait, what? Oh crap. see Vibra Pod. I just got out of the nursing station. Thanks 53 Ledge. No problem. Anyways, what are you working on?
I've been working on this tank for a full 2 weeks. And I think it's about ready to be deployed. Yeah?
Oh god.
Oh my god, we gotta save 1003 in the tank. Now.
Bro. How do you like... Okay. Ammo.
Say goodbye to your life, Psycho.
Yes, it worked. Thanks. Now where's our payment? Here, thank you. Now to take care of some important business.
Yeah. No. Please no.
Fuck, you're disarmed. Now you better marry me right freaking now or I'll call all your friends and trap you in a room with me for all eternity.
No, 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 no.
Nobody can stop me now. You will be mine.
Why haven't you done that in the first place, bro? Stupid.
I can't believe I forgot I had a shoot down who plays.
That's sad. Alright, guys. Well, that's this. This is a reaction video. I hope y'all enjoy. Okay. I'm gonna end the video now because I'm a little concerned about something. It's,
You guys not liking and subscribing is a very bad issue. Please do such right now.